Hey you guys, it's your girl Lovely Nay, and we're about to get into this BBL I'm getting next month. I'm going to AVANA Plastic Surgery in Miami, and my doctor that I chose was Dr. Scott Moradian. I chose him because he is double board certified. He has 0 deaths, and his results are really good. Like, he's all about the shape, like all about the shape, and he's like great with hips, and and he doesn't give out that bug look. You know what I mean? Like when the legs are too little for the butt, like he'll tell you right off the bat, like if your butt is if your thighs are not big enough for the butt that you want. Like he'll tell you. He goes for the natural look. That's what I'll say. On his like Instagram things, he has like hashtag like safe BBL. Just because he's really safe. You know what I mean? He's not gonna do anything to put you in danger, and he's not gonna take anybody that he thinks, will have any issues, His BMI requirements, it stops at like 34. Yeah, 34, I believe. Actually, yeah, like 34. So my surgery is in 30 days. As of today, I stopped smoking Fonto because I don't smoke blunts or like wraps or stuff like that. I smoke papers of Fonto. So I'm no longer smoking the Fonto. I got me a vape, because my anxiety is off the chain. So I need my THC. So this has CBD in it too, but my doctor doesn't require you to stop smoking marijuana, but you cannot have any tobacco or nicotine or any of that in your system, like whatsoever. So that's why I got the vape. And when I do want to smoke like actual like buds, like weed buds, then I would just smoke it in just papers, and I just won't put no Fonto in it. But like as of like today, I've been smoking this thing, and it's been killing my throat. I mean, like destroying my throat because I'm not used to smoking like this. So it's really tough, really tough. And I also been taking my blood builder pills. I actually started taking these like last month, like sporadically. Like I was taking it like not every day, but as of today, I'm gonna be taking these every day. I got these on Amazon. It comes with 60 pills, and they have really good reviews. It's supposed to. Oh, my iron levels are not low to begin with, but I just want them. You know what I mean? Why not? Because why not? Because I don't know that would help with the recovery. So, I'm really, really excited. I'm really excited. So far, I have bought like my plane tickets or whatever. I made sure to get those with insurance just in case, because I be like watching like a lot of stuff about Vanna, and I see that people be getting, sometimes they'll get their surgery date changed and whatnot, and you know what I mean, I don't want to have any issues. So just in case my surgery date changes whatsoever, I'll be able to change that and not lose out on my money, because this whole thing is very expensive. Like the surgery was $5,200, and then you still have to pay for supplies, flight, place, Airbnb, stuff like that. So it's like it's expensive. It can get expensive. So I am trying to penny pinch as much as I can. Um, so I won't lose out on any of my money. So I have because I was just so excited about this whole thing. I have like little clips and stuff that I recorded like before up to this moment that I'm gonna like put in. I think I'm gonna put it in at like the end of the video or whatever, so you can see like how excited I was and stuff like that. And also because I have like a factor 7 bleeding disorder, which is like a non-clotting disorder. Like I don't clot. So, but my levels are like normal. Well, last time I went to my hepatologist, my levels was normal. So I have like a little clip in there about that, because I was excited, I was happy, because that was something I was definitely worried about. Was my was that being an issue, because I'm like, dang, why you be able to get this with that freaking bleeding disorder? But it's not an issue because my levels is normal. I just have to get clearance from her. Show them my thing that I got. They email you this. I got my coordinator's name is Aileen. Like, a lot of people had like negative things to say about her, but she's been fine with me. Like, when I email her, she emails me back. Maybe because, but another thing I didn't do was constantly like send my coordinator emails and like call, and didn't really have much questions because I was watching like vlogs and stuff like that on YouTube. So I had kind of an idea, and plus I've had surgery before, like surgery right here on my wrist, and umbilical hernia surgery when I was like a baby, and I'm trying to think what other surgeries I've had. Is that it? I've been under before, so you know what I mean. It wasn't much of all these questions I got. Here it is. These look like prescriptions. Little prescriptions. And I have one from my primary care provider, my hematologist. Those appointments are made. Friday, I am going to be going to get my labs done. I don't know if I'm just going to put this with the video with the labs, or if I'm just going to upload this separately. I'm not sure. I probably would just put it together, because this is, might as well, right? But yeah, so everything is set. I'm super excited. Dr. Moradian, he is really good. Like, I'm in the groups, the Facebook groups, and I mean, like, there's like a couple of people that, well, actually, it was a lot of people that will like say things like, oh, he didn't make my butt big enough, or this, that, third. But then you see their like before pictures. You have to have the foundation for what you're asking for. So if you don't have that foundation, the first round, literally, you're getting the foundation. That's the foundation, and you're gonna need a second round to get that body that you want. But I have a nice foundation, so I think I should be fine. But doctors they are not a magician. They're doctors. You know what I mean? So sometimes you might need a second round, but he's definitely great reviewed in the aspect of keeping it safe. You know, I think I watched like heard of one case where a girl got an infection, and she could have got it infection anyway. She could have gave herself the infection. It wasn't something that was like guaranteed, like, oh, he gave me that infection. Like, she wasn't septic or anything like that. There wasn't no dirty instruments used. Like, maybe like I think outside, they just gave her antibiotics, and she had to take like antibiotics for like a week. So that's not really a bad infection at all. Unlike other videos I've seen where people really, really, really have a bad infection, like they're septic, like they use dirty tools. Like, he doesn't have no reviews like that. No reviews like that whatsoever. So I'm just excited. I'm happy you guys are going to take this journey with me. My new body. Like, I have a nice body. Like, before I had my son, even after, like, my body's not too bad. It's just this freaking gut. Like, son, this gut will not go away. Like, even if I lose weight, like, I'll still like have a pouch, like, ever since I had my son. So I can't wait to have a flat stomach. I'm definitely gonna be on the flat side, okay? Super excited. But yeah, this is my folder that I keep all my surgery stuff in. All my printed out documents, and I'm gonna put a copy of my labs and stuff in here, you know, because just in case, I'm gonna have them fax it and give me a copy. And I'm gonna upload it in the portal as well and have them fax it and have a copy, because girl, don't play. I'm very, very anal, stuff like that. Cause you won't get me, alright? But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just insert everything that's been going on until this moment, because it's been real. Hi, I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing before I had to stop doing everything before the surgery. He's laughing. because I'm making a video blog of my surgery. I'm not putting it together. I'm not putting it out sometime next year when everything is done and everything is together. I just wanted to show you guys what was going on before I had to stop drinking and smoking for a whole 30 to 40 days. So I just had an appointment with my hematologist, and she said my numbers are great, which I had seen my labs.
Yo, I gotta stop smoking so
Like
much weed.
a couple days ago,
I just be going
to
so blank.
my like doctor's portal thing, and I saw that they were good. They were really good. And she said that my factor 7 actually is like normal right now. So that's like really great news. I'm so happy. She said she's definitely going to give me medical clearance. So that definitely just made my day. Hey y'all, I'm back. So now that you guys watched that, now I want to talk about like how I paid for surgery. So well, you know what, let me talk about how my surgery even came about. Okay, so my cousin in Virginia, I live in New York, upstate New York, Albany to be exact. Go 518. It's like, nah, I hate here. But anyway, so my cousin in Virginia, his wife, she's gotten a BBL and her body looks great, right? I went down there last summer with my family, like family vacation, and I had gained some weight before because I had went first of all, quarantine. I think everybody got fat during quarantine. I definitely gained like 10, 15, 20 pounds during quarantine. Like I gained a lot of weight during quarantine. Then after that, I was in Miami with my friends, drinking, eating, you know, all that stuff that really puts on a pound. So when I went to my family vacation with my husband and our kids and everybody else, child, I had gained so much weight. I was taking pictures. You know how when you go on vacation, you take pictures. I'm looking at pictures and I'm like, dang, I done gained mad freaking weight. And so I see her, we talking whatever, and she was like, girl, she was like, girl, I just got another round of lipo. I said, oh, wow, you look good or whatever. She looks really good. And she was like, when you going? I'm like, I said, I thought about it. I said, when am I? You know what I mean? She probably thought I was joking, but when I said that in my head, I really thought, okay, yeah, you're right, girl, when am I? As soon as I got back home from off my vacation, girl, I booked my surgery. I didn't talk to nobody about it. I talked to nobody about it before I did it. I didn't even talk to my man. I did it behind his back. I just went and I booked it. I paid. They had like the special on AVANA. You put $250 down. So that's what I put down, $250, and then AVANA. I'm not every place is not the same, but at AVANA they let you pay increments of $100 as often as you want, or as least as you want. So how I was doing it was, I paid my deposit for my date. I booked a date all the way for next year during tax season. Okay, that's some tea for y'all because y'all should do that too because it can get expensive. So you're gonna need that little extra coin. So I booked it out all the way from March 25th of this year, which is 22, but I booked it in September of 21. That's when I booked my surgery. Yeah, September. It was either August or September.
Girl, here I go going blank once again.
So after I did that, I paid increments of 200. I paid 200 every month since then. And then my man actually gave me like $2,500 towards it. And it was cute how he did it. Like, it was cute how he did it. Like, I was, this is another story for a different time, but it was real cute how he did it. But yeah, he gave me $2,500 for that. And I got like $2,000 left over. That taxes cover that. So, and then I still have money left to, you know, do other things. But yeah, so that's some TPA. Y'all should do that. Y'all should book it like that as well. But yes, I'm so excited. Catch me next time. My next video is gonna be you guys come with me to do my labs and stuff, and I also in that video come back on there when I get cleared, talk about
Son
how
of my
that
stepson
process
is
went,
here, so
and
don't
just
mind all the kids. The
keep up,
kids yelling in the
subscribe to the
background. It's
channel,
not 15, 20
like,
of them.
comment, let me
I only
know if you
have
guys
one
think about
kid and
getting
a
surgery,
stepson.
think about
All
surgery, you
right.
against it, you like it. Have you been to Avana? If you have, let me know. Have you been with Dr. Moradian? They say he's really, really cute in person. I want to know if that's true. And he does really snatch. So I know that this junk about to be gone. Y'all wish me luck, pray for me, and stay tuned for my next video.